Now, where to place and the usage. Pronoun is used to replace a noun. Now, how to identify where to use COD. So, if in a statement there is a noun which is not preceded by a preposition, so you will not find a preposition which identifies the noun. But be careful, look for the noun with definite article, adjective possessive, and adjective demonstrative. So there we will place this complément d'objet direct. Now what are the forms of complément d'objet direct? First person is ma, second the, third le, la, l'apostrophe. Same for plural nous, vous and les. Let's discuss an example to make the concept clear. So the first one is il aime sa mère. He likes his mother. Sa mère is the noun to be replaced. He likes his mother. He likes her. Now sa mère is third person replaced by le, la, l'apostrophe, one of these. Mère is a feminine singular noun to be replaced by la here. Now we will not find any preposition in this statement, and also the noun mère is identified by pronoun, is identified by adjective possessive. It's identified by adjective possessive. Il aime sa mère. So it should be la, but see the placement now. Where to place? That is also the next step. The pronoun is always placed before the noun. Now in this statement, the noun is aim, like. Now if we place la before aim, a is a vowel, so we will change it to l apostrophe. So in case any verb is starting with a vowel or h silent, we place l apostrophe in place of l or la singular form. Il l'aime. He likes her. The next one is nous allons faire le devoir. Now here you can see there are two verbs. The placement will be before the second verb, not before the helping verb, which is aller, future proche. Nous allons faire le devoir. We are going to do the homework. We are going to do it. Le devoir, le, we can identify, it is masculine singular noun to be replaced by l, e, le. Nous allons le faire, that is the correct placement for this pronoun. The next statement is elles ont acheté les cornes. Now if you see carefully, here also we find two verbs, but it is passive composite. How to identify? The second verb is in participe passive form, not infinitive form. Elles ont acheté les cornes. Now the same rule will apply. The noun to be replaced is plural. Third person replaced by les. But see carefully here, since it is passive composite, the rule will change for placement. We replace the pronoun before both the verbs. Just check. Elles les ont acheté. Passive composite for COD, there is one more rule which is applicable for complément d'objet direct. Here we will accord. Accord means God is feminine plural form here. So we will accord the verb acheter. We'll add e, we'll add s, since it is feminine plural form. So remember to accord in case you need to use complément d'objet direct or passé composé. Next is As-tu offert la glace? It's an inversion question. Now here for an inversion question, the pronoun is placed at the starting of the statement. La glace feminine, but since A is a vowel, tu, it will change to L apostrophe. La tu offert. Did you offer it? The next rule is for imperative. So in imperative, there will be no subject. Prenez le livre. Take the book. Le livre, third person singular, to be replaced by le. Where to place? Here the placement will change. There is no subject, so the placement will be after the verb. Prenez le. But be careful. If imperative is negative, the placement will not change. Na mange pas le gâteau. The gâteau is masculine, singular. Where to place? Just before the verb. So for negation, the placement will not change. But for affirmative sentence, imperative, the placement will change. So it will be na la mange pas. You will find practice exercise related to grammar topics on my website, Insta. Meet you in the next series where we are going to discuss complément d'objet and direct.